Hello, and welcome to this beginner-friendly guide to computer basics. Not sure how to get started with using a computer? Are computers still a mystery to you? Let's change that. Don't worry, you're not alone. If you're new to using a computer or just want to get more confident with the basics, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through everything from what a computer is, to using a mouse and keyboard shortcuts. Let's dive in. To simply begin with, let's talk about what exactly is a computer. A computer is an electronic device that stores, processes, and displays information. You can use it to browse the internet, write documents, play games, watch videos, and so much more. There are different types of computers you might come across. Desktop computers, which usually stay in one place. Laptops, portable and perfect for on-the-go use. Tablets, smartphones and smartwatches. These are smaller devices, often with touchscreens. While they may look different, they all follow the same basic principles. Make sure all the parts are connected properly. Monitor, keyboard, mouse and power cable. To turn on your computer, press the power button, usually found on the front or top of the CPU for desktops, or on the keyboard area for laptops. Don't press it repeatedly, just once is enough. After a few moments, your screen will come to life, and you'll see your desktop or login screen. Once your computer is on and you logged, you'll see the desktop. The main screen where your programs, applications, shortcuts live. At the bottom, you'll see the taskbar, which shows open programs and gives you quick access to important tools by clicking the shortcut icons of each programs. Click on icons to open programs, and use the Start menu to search for anything. Let's talk about using the mouse. The mouse is one of your main tools for controlling your computer. Left-click to select or open things. Right-click to see more options. And scroll using the wheel in the middle. You can also drag and drop files, folders using a mouse. If you're using a laptop, the touchpad acts like a mouse. Tap to click and swipe to move. To open a program, click the Start menu and look for application you would like to open. For example, Microsoft Word, WordPad or Notepad for typing, MS Paint for simple drawings, and basic image editing, Calculator for basic math. You can also use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Now that your computer is turned on, let's learn how to connect to the internet. To go online, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. The internet is a global network that lets you connect and share information. Click the Wi-Fi or network icon in the taskbar and choose your network. Once connected, open a browser like Chrome, MS Edge or Firefox to start exploring the web. After knowing the basics, here are some great ways to practice. Try typing a short paragraph using Notepad, WordPad or MS Word. Explore websites like YouTube or Wikipedia, search engines and lot more. From dragging files, creating and renaming folders, and try deleting them as well. Remember, everyone was a beginner once. Take your time and practice regularly. Easy to remember and practice. Wants to work faster? For your hands-on, try these useful Windows keyboard shortcuts. Shortcuts are simple key combinations you can press instead of using your mouse for common tasks. Using these simple shortcuts can save time and help you feel more confidence using your computer. Especially when you're just starting out. Try practicing them a little each day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Keep practicing, stay safe online. And remember, sometimes we are tested not to show our weakness, but discover our strength.